Welcome to How to Basic Apex. Today we are going to talk about managing rights in Apex and what you can do with them. Go to the application, click on Shared Components, go to Application Access Control, create a group here. This is important if you want to manage many users and don't want to manually add them everywhere they need access. Give the group a name that matches their title or role. We will use CEO as an example. Below, under Add a User Assignment, enter the username of the person. This is the name they use to log in. Then select the roles they need to be part of. Click Create Assignment. You can find the usernames by going to the Administration tab in the top right corner. Select Manage Users and Groups. Here you can find usernames, email addresses, and account types such as administrator or user. Now that we have created a user and a group for the local application, go to Authorization Schemes and create a new scheme. Enter a name. I recommend using the name of the page they are accessing. And select as Enroll or Group. Select the group you just created. Click Create Authorization. Go to the page you want to secure. On the right, scroll down to Security. Here you can select either a standard scheme or your newly created scheme. By doing this, users can only access the page if they are part of the security scheme, which is linked to the group that contains the correct users. You can also make a page public. Click on Authentication and select as Public. This allows anyone to access the page without logging in. There is also a page you can create to manage this visually. Click Create Page. Go to the Features tab. Select a group that should have access. I recommend Administrator or a custom group you created. Select Create a new page. Select Create a new navigation menu entry. Click Next. Then Create, run the page. Here you can see all the existing groups. By clicking the top right options, you can add users. By clicking Users, you can also view and create new users. If you return to Shared Components and select Lists navigation menu, you can view all the pages in the navigation and add authorization schemes. Click the page name, go to Authorization, select the desired scheme. and click Apply Changes. Now the page is only visible to users who are part of the correct scheme. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. We also have other instruction videos like this one on our channel at How to Basic Apex, so subscribe to stay updated and like the video if it was helpful.